Hey everyone, I'm here with Sebastian, founder of the Institute of Trading. A lot of people ask, how do I become a successful trader? But the real question should be, how do I think like a successful trader? So today, Sebastian is going to share how he started, his struggles, and what is the game changer in trading. Sebastian, how did you get into trading?
Well, I actually started with mining Bitcoins in 2014, but that felt quite slow. So after having 20 Bitcoins in 2015 from mining, I switched to day trading. Why? My motivation was to earn enough so I will actually someday stop working the 40, 50 hours per week that I was working back then for the employer. And like most traders, I was thinking it would be easy. I was excited, I studied charts, I went to different trading courses, I tried different strategies. I was making money, but it was still a slow growing but still consistent curve. And I kept asking myself, what can I do better considering that I have the same tools as the pros?
So what was the turning point?
The moment I realized I was focusing on the wrong thing. It wasn't my strategy that was the problem, it was me, my personality, my emotions, my impatience, the trust in the trading system and my fear of missing out, the FOMO. Trading strategy is only 10% important, the rest is mindset. That's when I started working on my mindset, building my own strategies and not using other people's strategies. So my confidence in what I was doing went up. And once I fixed that, everything changed. And so the results.
I hear you say 80% is mindset. Why do you say that?
Because even the best strategy won't save you if you can't control your emotions. Most traders fail because they panic sell, revenge trade, or don't follow their own rules. The real pros, they build confidence and stay disciplined no matter what. They don't let emotions control their decisions.
So, discipline is the key?
Yes, but it's not just discipline, it's self-awareness. Knowing when to step back, when to trust your plan, and when to adapt. That's the mindset difference between winning and losing traders.
If someone is struggling with mindset, where should they start?
Well, amazing question. First, stop focusing on just making money. Focus on making good trades. Every time you enter a trade, ask yourself, am I following my plan or am I trading based on emotions? That simple question will save you thousands.
That's a powerful shift. Thanks so much for sharing your story. It was very inspiring.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Guys, if you ever struggle with mindset in trading, drop a comment below and let's talk about it.
Yes.
Bye.
Let's do that. See you. Bye-bye.